Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the class. All are completed your work, homework. Okay, now also many of them you are not enabling your video. Please enable your video. Like Dhirendra, Abhairaj, 7th A. Please enable your video, children. Okay. Yesterday we have completed exercise 7A, isn't it? Today we have to start exercise 7B. All are completed all the homework? Yes, good. Now children, before in current, you have not taken the breakfast. Half an hour you got, no? That is not enough. Give the concentration now. I told you children, if anything is given, 2:5 is as, okay. 2:5. Okay. So first and last, what we will call? Extreme. And the center part, 5 and 2, this center part that we will call as the mean. So whenever we are seeing if it is proportion or not, the step is the product of extreme equals to product of mean. This is the formula to find out. Okay. If in the question, if they will ask, we have to find out whether the given number is proportion or not. There are two methods. First method, directly we write 2 upon. Isn't it? The fraction form we have to write it is as 2 upon 5. Now you see here also 2 upon 5, here also 2 upon 5. That means it is a proportion. Or another method, this product of extreme means 2 into 5 equals to this mean 5 into 2. So 10 and 10. So both we are getting 10. That means it is in the proportion. Which method you are feeling easy, you can follow any one method. First one or second one. Your wish. You can follow any one method. Both the methods are correct. Clear? Understood? So this way we will find out the product of extreme. Sometimes they won't give the second number. Means they will give their x value. Like these questions yesterday in previous class we done. So what we have to do, where we are getting x value, that we will write it first. Means x into 2, that is product of mean equals to product of extreme. Then equals to 5 into 2. Then x is equal to 5 into 2 divided by 2. 2 cancel, the value of x equals to 5. This is the method. Yes, Anubhav, what's your doubt?
Good morning, Miss.
Morning.
Miss, till 16th we have done.
Yeah, only that much. Yesterday I told you the class.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Remaining no need, because the same thing you are going to study in class 8. So this year you have so much portion also, no? I don't want to make you more burden. The same thing you are going to study in class 8. Okay? Yeah. Yes. Suhani, what's the doubt?
Ma'am, I want to ask that we have to submit the geometry copy also for correction.
Because we are already completed one geometry chapter. So you have to submit the copy.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Firdaus, what's the doubt?
Ma'am, how is the geometry copy?
How is the geometry copy? What is the question?
Ma'am, is it like the same book in the same like ruled one?
In previous class, you are present. Was there in the previous class when we are done the geometry chapter? You are present on the day. Firdaus, I'm asking to you.
Ma'am, I was not present because of internet issue and I was traveling also. That's why I'm asking you.
Last year, where you are doing all the geometry work?
Ma'am, I'm a new student. I don't know.
You are doing in interleave copy.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
That one chapter we have completed, that you have to complete it. Lesson number 16. Okay, now next, like this, the value of x we will find out. Now the next one, if they ask, we have to find out they will give like this, 2:5. And they ask us, we have to find out the mean proportion. How we will find out the mean proportion here? Mean means you know that where we are getting mean, center part. First and last is extreme and the center part is mean. So in the place of mean, we have to put x value. That means this is first one and this is the last number. Is to x is as x. Okay, when we will solve the question, it will be very clear to you. Only the example I am giving now. Okay, so the center part like this we are doing. And for the proportion means the place of 4, one more digit they will give like 2, and the fourth proportion means last number we have to find out. And sometime they will give we have to find out the third proportion. And these two they are given, don't get confused. They will ask, we have to find out the third proportion. Third, that means which is in the second part, that will continue once again, and fourth place it will be x. That means 2:5 is as 5:x. Clear? If it is mean proportion means both in the center, it will come x. If it is third proportion, don't get confused on third proportion and mean proportion. Clear? Okay, now we will start the exercise. The new page, write down exercise 7b, and first one, true or false. There is no need, we are not doing true or false questions. We will start it from second. Second, already I told you 2 methods are there, which you are feeling easy, follow that method. Okay. First question, second main, first question. It is given here 30, 40, 45 and 60. Okay, so first we will write it in the form 30:40 is as 45:60. Any one method you can follow, that is 30/40 equals to 45/60. So 0, 0 cancel, that means 10 3s are, that also we can do it. 10 3s are, 10 4s are. That means 3/4 we are getting in the first part, and 15 3s are, 15 4s are. That means here also we are getting 3/4. Now you can see both are equal. So yes, it is in proportion. Or anyone write down, don't write both the methods. One method is enough. Or 30:40 is as 45:60. Product of extreme equals to product of mean. Okay, product of extreme is equals to product of your full. Okay, product of mean. That means 30 into 60 equals to 40 into 45. 80, 0, 180, 0. Yes, it is in the proportion. Both we are getting same answer. Any one method follow it. Don't write both. Okay, if you are in first question, both the method write down, and after that only one method is enough. Yes, Arshita.
Ma'am, in the exercise 7b, we will not do the first question. Which of the following statements are true?
That only I told, true or false question we are doing. No. Fill in the blanks and true or false question, no need.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Disha, what's your doubt?
Miss, here you have explained the second method in that 30 into 40 it should be, no?
Yes, 30 and
Miss, you have written 30 into
30, 60, 40, 45. Product of extreme equals to product of mean. Clear? If it is fraction, the same. Clear? Can I rub now? Do it any one method. Completed, children? Yes? Can I rub now? Second one, 2, 2, 1 by 2, 3, 3, 1 by 2. Now first we will write in the proportion 2 is to 2 to the 4, 5 upon 2 is as 3 is to 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. Okay? Now don't write give the concentration here. If only whole number, we know that in the place of denominator 1. Isn't it? Now give the concentration. If directly means what we are doing 30 is to 40 means how we are writing 30 upon 40. The same thing also here. 2 upon 1 when we are divided by 2 up 5 upon 2 means it will be reciprocal. Isn't it? Isn't it? That means multiplied means it will become 2 upon 5. It will become the second digit will be reciprocal. The same way here also. Here 1 will be there, 3 upon 1 multiplied 2 upon 7. Understood? Now multiply 2 to the 4, 5 1 the 5 equals to 3 to the 6, 7 1 the 7. Now you see here, in the first part we got 4 upon 5, second part we got 6 upon 7. So it is in the proportion? No. Then cross it here, it is not equal. Okay, here one cross and write down no. It is not in proportion. Clear? Understood? Now one more question also I will solve, then it will be clear to you. Completed? Okay. Now fraction, all of you understood now how we have to do it? The second part will be reciprocal. Now question number 3, 1 decimal, that also I will solve it. Second and third one, 0.8, 3.3, 2.4 and 9. Correct? No? 0.8, 3, 2.4 and 9. Now 0 is to 3 is as 2.4 is to 9. So what is the first step? 0.8 upon 3 equals to 2.4 upon 9. Okay, now we will remove the decimal point. Removing the decimal point in previous class also I explained you. When We are removing a point means 1. After point only single digit. That means it will become 10. Clear? The same thing here also. I am removing the decimal point. So 24, 9. When I am removing the decimal point, it will become 10. Clear? Now 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. Again, it is not possible. Then 4 5 3 is 15. Okay. Now here also, 3 3 is 9, 8 is then 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. That means 4 5 3 is 15. Now you see 4 upon 15, 4 upon 15. That means as it is in proportion. Clear? That right? As it is in proportion. Right. Now fraction also I solved. Decimal also I solved. Now question number 4th and 5th, that is the homework for you. The fraction already I done second. So the same way you have to do it. So question number 4th and 5th, second main, 4th and 5th, that is the homework for you. Now we will move to the third main now. Current, any doubt? No. Manya, doubt? Yes.
Ma'am, the last question, the fraction one you have multiplied 2 by 5 by 2 means then reciprocal 2 by 5 you have multiplied. But when we are multiplying, you need to multiply 2 by 7 by.
This question.
No, it's in fraction second one. You have left that.
Second main. What's the problem there?
Ma'am, we have multiplied, like here it is given 2 by 1 is to 5 by 2. You have multiplied 2 by 1 into 5 by 2. But we have to multiply it by 7 by 2. No, product of extremes.
No, that only I don't know. If it is proportion means first and second and these two. If you are following another method, product of extreme and product of that means you have to do like this. This part and this part. I am doing the fraction directly, comparing both. Okay, don't get confused on that. That's why both the method I explained you. Product of extreme equals to product of mean means first and last and center one. If you are following this method means this and this. You see here 8, 0.8 upon this one. And 2.4 upon 9. This is another method. Two methods are there.
Yes.
Yeah. So here fourth one 1 upon 5 into 8 upon 1 it will become for first part. And
Yes,
second part 1 upon 4 into 10 upon 1. Second part. Don't get confused on that. If you are following this method.
Okay.
Yeah. Now third main. We will move to the third main now. Third main, first one. Here, children, we have to find out the value of x. Okay, that means 42 is to 12 is as 7 is to x. So, what we have to write it here? Product of extreme equals to product of mean. Now we have to get the x that is in the place of extreme. So, first we will write product of extreme. Okay. Product of extreme equals to product of mean. Okay. Now 42 into x equals to 12 into 7. Clear? Remaining part very easy. X equals to 12 into 7. So children, 42 it will become divide, isn't it? The value of x is equal to 2. Do it now. Manya, doubt? No. Completed, children? Yes? So, Rabi, what's your doubt?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Utkarsh, do it
Ma'am,
first.
my doubt is that in finding proportion, there is no need of finding LCM and all, na?
LCM, why? In multiplication, we never find the LCM, only addition and subtraction. In previous class also, I told you. Clear? Don't
Yes,
get
ma'am.
confused on that. In multiplication and division, we never find the LCM. Only for addition and subtraction, we will find out the LCM. Anubhav, your doubt? Yes.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning.
Miss, we cannot write it directly extreme equals to mean.
No, we are finding product. So we have to write product of extreme equals to product of mean.
Okay, Miss.
Anyhow, I'm simplifying the methods and directly I'm giving. Not all the details method I'm not doing. No. Wherever we can reduce one step, that step I am reducing and I am giving. Okay, you have to write it full. I think all are completed. Can I move to the next? Yes. Now, second one. One is decimal. So the decimal question I will solve it. 1.8 is to x is as 2.4 is to 6.0. Can I stop writing all of you? Look at the board. So here also product of extreme equals to product of mean. That means 1.8 is to 6.0. Sorry, first x value we write it. X into 2.4 equals to 1.8 into 6.0. Any doubt on this? No. So x equals to, emphasize right on, x equals to 1.8 is to into 6.0 upon 2.4. Now what is the next step? We have to remove the decimal point. Directly also you can do it, but some students they get confused. So that method I am showing here. 18 into 60 here 24. Now children, I removed one decimal point, means directly also again you can do it, but you will get confused. So I'm writing separately 10 into 10. The 10 of first and second one 10. Okay. Now in upper part also here 24 the point I removed, so it will become 10. So 10 cancel it, 0 0 again cancel it. Now then again 2 3s 2 4s, then again 2 3s 2 2s. That means 9 upon 2 we got it. Again we have to convert it. That means we will get it 4.5. That means x is equal to 4.5. Answer. Ishita doubt? Yes.
Ma'am, in the first step, you have written product of extreme is equals to product of mean. But in second step, you have done, first you have written,
Now change this one, no?
yes, ma'am,
Product of
mean,
mean equals to product of
extreme. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Auto change that one. Yeah. Fraction, anyone question I want to solve? Third main, fifth one I will solve it. Aditi, what's the doubt?
Miss, in where we are doing reduce, my answer is not coming.
Where?
9/2.
Answer is
Miss,
not coming.
where we are reducing in the question.
This question.
Miss.
This
Yes,
question. I reduce and show no. Reduce it then. 0,
Miss,
10,
the
10,
board
10,
is not clear.
10, 10 cancel it. Then 0, 0 cancel it. Now here. 3, 6, 18 and 8 3, 8 24. Okay. Then afterwards from 2, 2 3 2 4 again reduce from 2 only. 2 3 2 2 4. Then 3 3 9, 2 1 2. 9 upon 2. Again simplified, you will get 4 upon 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aditi, mute yourself. Aditi, Srivastav, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute. From here it is not possible. I think it is not. Okay, one more question also I will solve it. Question number 5th one. Did I want to solve? You can. You're able to solve now? The same method only you have to follow it. No. Anubhav. You're not able to solve that one? No. Okay, I will solve it. Third one. If 1 upon 9 equals to x is as 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 4. Here also we have to find out mean. That means product of, children, this write down, okay, full product of mean equals to product of x3. So x into 1 upon 3 equals to 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 4. Okay. X into 1 upon 3 equals to 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 4. Now, x equals to 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 4. Then we are taking to the another group. First term it is going to the second term. What it will become? Reciprocal. That means 3 upon 1. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. That means x is equal to 1, 12. This will be the answer. Right up. Okay, now fourth main we will move. Completed? What will those?
Ma'am, in this question where you have written 1 upon 9 into 1 by 4, what have you written next to it?
Yeah, this one.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This one is same 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 4. This part it is coming to the next group, it will be reciprocal.
No, ma'am. Which sign is that? Okay, ma'am.
3 upon 1. 1/3 reciprocal.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Then 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 1 ones are 1, 3 fours are 12. X value equals to 1/12. Can I rub now? Yes. Now 4. Fourth one, find the fourth proportional 2. So fourth proportional 2 means what we have to do in the place of fourth, we have to do the x value. Isn't it? So here, fourth way, first, 4, 9, 32. So we have to find out the fourth proportion. Isn't it? So how we will find out, children? 4:9 is as 32:x. Same method, product of extreme equals to product of mean. Product of extreme equals to product of mean. You have to write full and writing short form, you write full product of. Okay. Now 4 into x equals to 9 is to 32. Now x equals to 9 into 32, 4. 8 72. The answer is 72. What's your doubt here?
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt that can we do it in other way?
What, Surabhi? This silly question again you are asking. I told
Ma'am,
3 or 4 times that you can follow
It's
any
like-
one method.
Ma'am, not that method which you have taught. Miss, I'm saying that all the numbers are proportional. Means they're equivalent also. So 4 into 8 is equal to 38. So 9 into 8 is equal to 72. We can find the answer like that.
Method should be there. Not mental calculation. Method you have to show it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed? Little fastly if it goes, you have to write it. Second one very easy, so that will be the homework. Third one, that is the decimal question that I will solve it. Decimal one. Okay. Second one, the same way how we done the first one, that same way you have to do. So third one, I'm going to solve decimal. Can I rub now? Yeah. Third one. 0.6, 1.5, 3. Okay. That means 0.6 is to 1.5 is as 3 is to x. Same way, product of extreme equals to product of mean. Now 0.6 into x equals to 1.5 into 3. Okay, then x equals to 1.5 into 3 upon 0.6. So what is the first step? We have to remove the decimal point. That means x is equal to 15 into 3 upon 6. So children, one decimal point I removed here, isn't it? That means into 10. And down part from the denominator also I removed one decimal point. So it will come in the place of numerator. So 10 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So the value of x we will get it here 7.5. Okay, this we have to divide. That means 15 upon 2, when we are simplifying 7.5 will be. Completed? No. Yes. Now children, question number 4. The fraction one I explained you. In third main, the same way we have to do, and fifth main also, that will be the homework. And sixth main, I will explain how you have to do, that also homework for you. Okay, just I will explain you how you have to solve it. Completed? Can I rub now this? Okay. This fourth main, third, fourth and fifth homework, sixth one also homework, but just I will explain how you have to solve it. Children, here it is given 3 hours, 12 minutes, 24 minutes, 1 meter, 68 centimeter. Be careful on this. Okay, I will explain you how you have to solve it. Now 3 hours, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Then 6 3 is a 180. If you want, you can write 180 plus 12. Then here no need rough space do it. Okay, 180 plus 12 means 192 minutes. Here we get it. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. These all the things no need to make you understand, only I wrote it. Okay, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. That's why 180 plus 12, 192 minutes. So first we are getting 192 minutes don't idea is to 24 and is as 1 meter 68 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. That's why 100 plus 68 we will get it 168 centimeter. Okay, so 168 is to x. Now product of x equals to product of mean. That means x into 192 equals to 24 into 168, and remaining part you have to do it. Understood? The sixth one, how you have to solve it? This will be the homework. Means fourth, fifth, and sixth. That is the homework. Sarvang, what's the doubt?
Which it is necessary to write that rough column.
Rough column, yes, write down. Otherwise, afterwards you will get confused. How we are getting 192? Now you will understand it, but when you are doing the revision, you will get confused. So rough page, write out that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Srishti, what's the doubt?
Miss, again you can explain the sixth one question, fourth, sixth.
This only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
3 hours, 12 minutes. 3 hour means 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 60 into 3, 180 plus 12, 192 minutes. Convert. I told you always it should be in same unit. Okay. Then after that, already it is there in minutes. That's why we converted into minutes. And next one is meter and centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 100 plus 68, 168. And last one we have to find out. Clear? Remaining part just simplified. How we done the previous questions. Yeah. Now, Shubh, what's the doubt?
Miss, sixth one answer is coming 21 centimeters.
Okay, I'm not asked the answer. No, that is the homework. Otherwise, afterwards you have to do this. Okay, very good. I think so. I don't know. I will check it. 7B, question number 4. Yes, very good. That is the correct answer. Yes, I think Suhani also got no? No, doubt. Yeah. Yes,
I can't understand question number 3, sixth one.
Question number 3, sixth one.
Yes, ma'am.
That is like that questions. Wait, in fifth main I will do it, then you will understand it. The same. That will become x into x square. Okay? Yes. Can I move to the fifth main now? Yeah. Here I will explain it. Now you will understand it. Fifth main, first question, 81 and 121. What we have to find out here? Mean. I told you mean means in the center part it will be x. Okay. Now 81 is to x is as x is equal to 120. Children, do it like this. In book it is directly given 81 into 121. So you will get confused how we are getting like this. So the detailed method I am doing here. Okay, in book directly they are given. Okay, that method also correct, only you can follow it. But to make you understand properly how we are getting under root. So the detailed method I am doing here. Okay. That means product of mean. Children, you have read full product of mean equals to product of extreme. Write down fully. I am writing short. So x into x equals to 81 into 121. Clear? Understood? Now children, here multiplied, not plus. That means x into x, x square. Okay? So x square equals to 81 into 121. Okay, now the square. In first, don't write now Manya, give the consultation Arshita. Correct. Yeah, square. When we are removing the square, if it is multiplication, it is becoming divide. But if it is square means for the next group, it will become under root. Okay. That means x equals to under root 81 into 121. Okay, now in book like this we are getting x is equal to 81 into 121. Directly they done. Now you understood now how we are getting like this. Now children, square root. When you are finding the square root, always like this. 2 to the 4. The square root of 4 equals to 2. Two numbers together. That means 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144. Like this it will be. Square root means 2 digits together multiply the final result. Clear? So if you have to find out the square means square root of 81 equals to 9. Understood? That you have to understand it up to 20, all of you. So x is equal to 81 means that will be, sorry, remove the root. The square root we are finding 9 into 121. 11 11s are 121. Okay, so we will get the value of x is equal to 99. Clear? Understood? Method is there to find out the square root. So I am not explaining now. It will be confused. Here in your class only easy. Means up to 20 square roots are there. Otherwise, one method is there as if you have to find out 81. So 9 9s are 81, here 0. So the square root is 9. Like this we are finding. Okay? So no need, directly do it. What's Rabi? What's the doubt? Suhani?
Ma'am, this method only we have to follow in third question, sixth part.
Yeah, same method you have to follow.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Arshita, any doubt? No. Anushka, doubt? Yes, what's the doubt?
Miss, can you explain again?
One more question like this, I will explain, then you will understand it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Same method only. Manya, doubt? Yes.
Miss, when will Pythagoras theorem come in our syllabus?
Second semester, I think so.
Second semester. Okay, ma'am.
Can I rub children? Now second, 1.8 into 0.2. 1.8 and 0.2. Can I? Now 1.8 is to x is as x is to 0.2. Same way, product of mean equals to product of extreme. So mean means x into x is equal to 1.8 into 0.2. Okay, that means x into x square, 18 to 36. So 36 children, we can give the constellation here. In first 1 digit and second also 1 digit. 1 plus 2. After 2 digit, we have to put the decimal point. That means 1 to put the decimal point 0. Clear? Understood? So 1.8 into 0.2, we are getting 0.36. We won't say 36 after 0.36. Okay. Now x equals to, so under root 0.36. Now what is the answer? We will get it. 6. Very good, Mania, because 6 6 are 36. So x equals to 0.6. That will be the answer. One more question also I will solve it. So it will be clear then. I think so. Okay. Can I rub now, children? Completed? No. Completed? Okay. Third one more question I will solve it. Fraction 1. So you will understand it properly, clearly. That is the third one. 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 27. 8 upon 27. Okay. Now here also 2 upon 3 is to x is as x. X is to 8 upon 27. Children, the board is visible. Product of extreme equals to product of mean equals to product of extreme. That means x into x equals to 2 upon 3 into 8 upon 27. Okay. 2 upon 3 into 8 upon 27. That means x into x square. 8 2s are 16. 27 3s are 81. Now we will transpose the square root to the next group. It will become under root of 16 upon 81. Now we know that 4 4s are 16, 9 9s are 81. That means x equals to 4 upon 9 is the answer. Clear? Understood? Yeah. Remaining, that will be the homework for you, 4th one and 5th one. You can do now. Fraction and decimal both I explained you. You can do it easily. What is your doubt, Anmol? Any doubt? Yeah. What's the doubt?
Good morning, Miss. Miss, I have asked that in fourth one, find the fourth proportional to 12 minute, 24 minute, 1 meter, 68 centimeter. I found the answer 21. The answer was correct, but here in the book backside written 21 centimeter. Here are also written. Why only centimeter is written?
Because in the first one hours and minute, and second proportion, that is first one is minute. isn't it? And is as next part is given 1 meter and 68 centimeter. That's why. Clear?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Is completed? Sonakshi, any doubt? Yes. What's the doubt?
Ma'am, can you please tell me the concept of fourth one, fifth, fourth? I can't understand this.
Fifth, fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
Here 0.32 and 0.08.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will become same way, x into x square. Here you will get it 0.32 into 0.08, isn't it? So when it will become under root x, we are removing these two parts. Multiply 32 into 8, 256 I think so, na? 32, yeah, isn't it? So multiply, so you will get it 256. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digit we have to put the decimal point. That means 1, 2, 3 and one more 4 and here 4. Now find out the square root 256.
Okay.
Clear? Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Now what is time? 20. So today's assignment is enough. When you are submitting your copy, please complete all the work which we have done today. Okay. Clear? Up to question number 5th main it should be completed. Okay, and the 6th main, that the third proportion, that also the same way. If possible, means do it. Otherwise, no problem. When we will get the next class, we will do it. That is third proportion, the same way I told you, children. Third proportion means 12. If it is 12, it is given is as 12, then x. Okay, any number which is coming the second part, it will be continued again, then x. If possible, do it. Otherwise, we will do in the next class. Clear? Understood? So, thank you, children. Complete all the work and submit it on Monday. I know that you all are very good students. You will complete the work and you will submit it properly. Okay? Now, if you have not taken the breakfast, take the breakfast and be ready for the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Sarvang, doubt? No. Okay, then bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.